Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can automatically create a backup of your important emails that you're receiving in your Gmail inbox. So guys, I'm sure that you have all had the experience of receiving an important email only to have it lost or forgotten. And this is a huge pain. So here I'm going to show you how you can make sure that your important emails are backed up, protected, and always accessible. And for this, we are going to connect your Gmail inbox with applications like Google Sheets and Airtable by creating an automation workflow such that whenever you are going to receive a particular kind of email, the details and the content of the email will be saved in your spreadsheets in Google Sheets or Airtable. And not only this, if you want to get your emails documented, you can connect your Gmail inbox with Google Docs application as well, and you can create a document out of your email content as well. And guys, we are going to set up all these automations without any coding. So now let me show you the workflows that you can use for this purpose. To set up the automation workflows, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I have pasted the same link in the description as well. So from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So guys, you can just sign up right now from the given link. And after that, you can follow me through the video and we can create your first workflow together. Okay. So after signing up, you have to sign in and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And on the dashboard, you can create workflows like this I have created. So this is the first workflow that I have created. And here you can see in the trigger. So all our automation workflows are based on two modules here, the trigger and the action. So trigger is that event which starts our workflows, and the action are the consequences or the responses towards the trigger, which happens automatically in different applications. Okay. So in this use case, guys, I am connecting my Gmail account with Google Docs application to get my emails documented. So for this, in the trigger, I have used email parser feature of Pabbly Connect, by which you can forward your incoming emails to this email parser's address, and your incoming emails will be captured here in this response section in the workflow. Okay, right? So that whenever you are going to receive an email, this workflow is going to trigger. And after that, I have applied a filter here in this action step. So by filter feature of Pabbly, you can filter out the important emails that you're receiving. So here you can see it has asked to select the label, then select the filter type and put a value here. So when you click here, it will show you the previous steps response. So here you can see the trigger is showing up here, and when you click here, it will show you all the data of your email inbox that you have received here. And in this response, you can see the subject label in which you will find the subject of the email that you have received. So I have applied the filter that when my subject of any incoming email receives this term investment, then I want to save that email into, then I want to convert that email into a document using Google Docs application. So for that, I have selected the subject label here like this, and then I have selected the filter type as contains, and I have put the value here investment. Okay, so this means when my subject contains investment word, then create a document of that email. Okay, so I have clicked on save and send test request, and here you can see it has showing the condition is true. So when this condition matches true, then what will happen? A document will be created using Google Docs. So in this action step, I have connected with Google Docs. I have selected the action event as create document from text. And here in the name of the document, I have mapped the subject. Okay. If you want to map the name of the person as the document's name, you can do that also. For that, you just have to click here and the previous steps will appear here. And from the first step, you can map anything like the name or the email address. Okay. Right. Then I have selected the folder of my Google Drive in which I want to save this newly created document. Okay. And in the content field, I have mapped the content that I have received in my email. And how I have received that, let me show you. Let me remove this. I just clicked on email parser step and scrolled down, and here I have received this body text label. And in this body text label, I got the content of the email. Okay, then I clicked on save and send test request, and uh, this email got documented like this. You can see like this. Okay, so that's how I'm just showing you the demo. You can receive any email and get it documented, and this document will be saved in your Google Drive. Okay, right. So this is the first way to create a backup. Second workflow is here. Here I have connected my Gmail account with Airtable application. So Airtable is a database application. So I have used same email parser step, okay, in the trigger, and I have parsed out any incoming email here like this. After that, I have applied a filter again, and in this filter, I have used the same term investment, okay, and then I have connected Airtable here in the third step and used create record action event to create a record inside Airtable. Then I've selected the base ID, the table's name, and here we have these two fields, the subject line and the email content. These are the headers of the table I have in my Airtable's base. Let me show you that. You can see this is the subject line column and the email content column. Okay, and after that, as I have mapped these things in the subject line, I have mapped the subject from the email parser step, and in the content I have mapped the content from the email parser's body text label. Okay, then I clicked on save and send test request, and the data got saved here in my table like this. You can see. Okay, so that's how you can create a backup in Airtable. Third workflow is here, in which I have connected my Gmail inbox with Google Sheets. By using same email parser to parse out the email, I have fetched the incoming emails. Then I have connected filter, and here this time I used a different kind of filter. You can filter out your emails from name as well. So suppose that you want to save the emails coming from a particular person. Okay, for that, in the filter you can use display label, in which you will receive the name of the person who is sending you email from display label. Okay, and it will show you the name of the person who have sent you the email. Then I've selected the filter type as equals to and put the name here of that person in this value field. Okay, so this means whenever I receive an email from this person, this condition is going to match true, and the email of that person will be saved in my Google Sheets application. For that, I connected Google Sheets in the action step, selected my spreadsheet's name, and here you can see it is showing from address, email content, attachments if any. So these are the headers of my columns here of my spreadsheet, you can see. Okay, and after that I have mapped the things. I have mapped the subject, mapped the email content, and after that I have checked my connection by clicking on save and send test request button, and it got saved here in my spreadsheet like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, and that's how you can create the backup of your email records. And guys, if you want to know how email parser worked and how we have connected these applications inside the triggers and the actions, I'm going to paste some video links in the description. You can watch those videos and learn how to use the email parser and how to connect these applications inside the workflows. So guys, this is it for today. Thanks for watching.